Wow, my people, Dancehall Skilla there here again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect, you see? Yeah, alright now my people. I wonder if any of you remember or have any knowledge about a multi-motor vehicle accident that happened along Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew, Jamaica within the month of November the year 2022. Yeah, I'm talking about an incident where it is said that more than half a dozen motor vehicles was involved in a multi-vehicle accident. Well, viewers and subscribers, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show two motor vehicles that was involved in a traffic accident at an intersection along Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew, Jamaica. And the incident happened right within the vicinity where the multi-motor vehicle accident happened that involves more than half a dozen motor vehicles. The video shows two motor vehicles that somehow collided, viewers and subscribers, but I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly how they collided. I don't have any confirmed information if anyone had been badly injured, but the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. See it? Yeah, I want you to look at the video and you can also tell me what you think. And I want to say to every motorist out there, please drive safely on the road. Drive to protect yourself and others on the road, alright? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Indian, take your time. Yeah, man. Take care of my watch, brother.
So, my people, when I first saw that video, I said to myself, but wait, it come like said that whole stretch of road right there, so I want a good wash off or something. You see me, I say, I'm not talking about rain. I think Jamaicans know what I mean. You see me, I say, yeah, it just really and truly set away my people, you see? Yeah, man, but you know, if someone should ever find themselves in a incident like that, it's good to get a checkup. It's no joke when it comes down to your health, you see? Anyways, let me know what I think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show when a certain amount of persons did what they could to de-escalate a bad situation. See, now I got the understanding from the video that a female at some point held a knife because she was in a confrontation with someone, and it seems as if the confrontation became very heated, viewers and subscribers. See? So the video shows a certain amount of persons doing whatsoever they could to stop the female from using a knife the wrong way. And when I say the wrong way, I mean a way that is considered as a very bad way, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, there are a few reasons why I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. One of those reasons is because the video is being talked about on social media. Another one of those reasons is to let us see those persons who did what they could to de-escalate a bad situation where a knife somehow had been held by someone, viewers and subscribers, see? And to also say big up and respect to those persons who did what they could to de-escalate the situation. Anyways, I'm going to present the video to you. You can also let me know what you think, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
No, say knife cut out.
Oh, well, my people. Now, if you listen to the video carefully, you can hear when someone said some words that also includes knife cutter. And if you listen to the video carefully, you can hear when someone said words that also includes man give her a bad word lick. You see me I say if you're in subscribers, I don't want to mention the bad word. That's why I say bad word. You see? So, the whole thing now about that whole situation that I'm thinking about is who is the person that the female was involved in a confrontation with that led to the point where the female somehow held a knife. You see me I say my people? Them things that I think about. But most of all, I want to big up and respect to those persons who did whatsoever they could to de-escalate the situation to a certain point. Although I don't know what happened after the video stopped recording, viewers and subscribers. But I like to tell them what I think about that whole situation. I mean, too much crime and violence are going all over the world. A time for people start to peace. You see me as my people? Anyways, next topic. Now, when it comes down to this whole thing that I call gun amnesty within the country of Jamaica for the year 2022, you know, it made me wonder certain things. It made me wonder, what about those persons who committed one or more than one murders? With gun, of course, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, yeah, it made me wonder them things that, you know, and in my point of view, some of them media reports, them are reports that I saw coming like it has send warnings out there. You see me I say, I don't want to elaborate too much about that still, viewers and subscribers, but let me see if we can give you some information about this whole thing that some people call gun amnesty within Jamaica. Listen. So I got the understanding that the House of Representatives approved an order for an amnesty that some people call gun amnesty in Jamaica that will run from Saturday the 5th of November to Saturday the 19th of November, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so I get the understanding that National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang talk about this whole thing. So me I say viewers and subscribers. So it is said that Horace Chang said that the objective of the amnesty is to have those individuals surrender their firearms. I assume that he mean illegal firearms, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? And it is said that Security Minister said any person who has acquired a firearm illegally but with no intent to commit an illegal act would benefit from the amnesty. It also covers the individual who voluntarily surrenders or disclose the location of any firearm or ammunition during the amnesty period. Such person shall not be charged with any offense relating to the illegal possession, custody, or control of the firearm or ammunition. See? Then say, it is said that Mr. Chang says so. You see me as a viewer and subscribers. Now, when you look at me carefully, my people, I wonder if you are think what me I think. I mean, think about it, you know. I wonder if you are thinking what I'm thinking. It can be a good thing, you know. It can be a good thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, it can be a good thing. Me I tell you the truth, but it's like I want to say it, but I just don't want to say it. Because guess what? I want this thing for really and truly work. I don't go say this thing can bring some form of ease to the crime and violence in Jamaica, like on a real though. You see me? Because the other information we get is that after this whole gun amnesty thing, the new rules and laws and regulations when it comes down to illegal possession of firearm and ammunition is going to be some stiffer penalties. See? Somebody just point out them things there. Anyways, I left it to my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.